Hi, my name is Maarten Struijs. In this video I'm going to show you the copy and paste features of Windows Phone 7 that are new in the January update of the tools. Now currently there is an emulator that supports copy and paste. The real devices still need to be updated, but this January update at least allows developers to test their existing applications and to write new applications that are making use of this copy and paste feature. And for existing applications, typically you don't have to do anything, but of course you want to probably test your applications. There are also a few issues with copy and paste if you are making use of text boxes inside a panorama or a pivot control. I'm not going to cover that in this video, so this video is just short, lean and mean, just seeing copy and paste in action. So I already have a little application. Basically the only thing I have in this application is two text blocks with a little bit of information, just an introduction of the application. And what we're going to do is add a new item here, and that user control is going to be a text box. So let me just make sure that I drag and drop that text box to my main page inside my application here. And it's just a regular text box, so there are no different or additional controls with the January update. And let's just do the layout a little bit better here. I'm gonna put it up a little bit. And maybe what I want to do is clear the text property of that text box. And basically that's everything I'm gonna do, except for deploying to the emulator. And the January tools for Windows Phone 7, that update, ships with a brand new emulator, and that emulator already supports copy and paste. So let me make my emulator a little smaller, making sure that it's gonna be visible entirely. So there we go. And here's my application. Now the application asks to enter a URL. So let me go ahead and do that, and I'm gonna use the page up key on my keyboard just to allow me typing. So that URL could for instance be the address of my blog, being mstruijs at wordpress.com. And what I'm now gonna do is select the entire text inside my text box, and what you can see popping up is a copy paste, or actually a copy symbol. And now I copied this information to the clipboard. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start Internet Explorer. I'm gonna go to the address bar here, and the minute I select that address bar you can see a paste icon popping up. Now if I want to paste information, I'm just pasting the information that is currently on the clipboard, being the address of my blog. And now I can just go ahead and navigate to this URL. And as you can see, this is copy and paste in action. And here we have that URL, or here we actually have the website, my personal blog, visible. Now if I terminate Internet Explorer by just navigating back, and navigating back again, you can see that everything else inside this Windows Phone 7 application is still behaving as expected. So my application tombstoned, but I didn't do anything in particular for this application, so my text box now is empty, of course. Now if I'm terminating the application, let's just quickly take a look at the code behind here. So on my main page, basically I didn't add any additional code, and the text box itself fully supports copying and pasting. So that's it for this short introduction video. Once again, my name is Maarten Struijs. I produced this video for .NET for Devices.